Hello students, welcome to all of you here on our YouTube channel. In this video today we are going to study about the polynomials, lesson number 3 from Maths 1, Standard 9, practice set 3.1. Look in your textbook, question number 1, state whether the given algebraic expressions are polynomials, justify. Here, question number 1, y plus 1 upon y here. So look student here, this is not polynomial, right here. This is not polynomial. This is not polynomial because index of y variable means student in the sense 1 upon y variable is minus 1. So this is not polynomial here. Now see student, second one here, 2 minus pi under root of x here. So right now here, this is not polynomial student. This is not polynomial. Same reason here student, because index of under root of x is 1 upon 2 here. Now see third one student here, x square plus 7x plus 9. Okay, this is polynomial student. Write your answer. This is polynomial. This is polynomial because of the index is 2 here and that, okay, this index is whole number here. Okay, index is 2 here and this is whole number. Means our condition here, the index should be a whole number here. Then the fourth one student here, 2m raised to minus 2 plus 7m minus 5. I already told you the index should be positive whole number. Okay student, now look here, 2m raised to minus 2 plus 7m minus 5. So here we have to write, this is not polynomial. This is not polynomial. This is not polynomial because of why here the index is negative. So we have to write here because of the index of m here, m raised to minus 2 is minus 2. The index is minus 2 here. And finally, last one here student, question number 5 here is 0. Okay, this is polynomial here student. Right now, this is polynomial. This is polynomial. Question here, question number 2, write the coefficient of m cube in each of the given polynomials. Means from m cube, we have to write the coefficient only for that term here. So if you look here, here is m cube. Only one term is here. We have to write the coefficient here student. Okay, here look here. Here is nothing, means always 1. So coefficient 1 here. Now for second question student here, minus 3 upon 2 plus m minus under root of 3 m cube. We have to write the only coefficient of m cube term here. So here is m cube term. So coefficient here student. So right now, but here is minus under root of 3 here. Now the third one, after this, the sub question 3 here, I'm writing here minus 2 upon 3 m cube plus, okay, sorry, minus 5m square plus 7m minus 1 here. We have to write only the m cube terms coefficient here. So here, if you look student here, is equal to, here is minus 2 upon 3 is the coefficient of m cube here. Okay, student, now see the next question. Question number 3 here. Write the polynomial in x using the given information. Means we have to use x variable here. First question here, monomial with degree 7. Monomials, you know, mono means only one terms, okay, should be there. So that's why we have to write our answer here. Monomial with degree 7 means x raised to 7 here. This is monomial because of only one term is here and with index 7 here. Second one, student, now here, binomial with degree 35. With degree 35. Okay. Binomial means two terms are there. Suppose I write, student, here x raised to 35 plus 2. This is binomial with degree 35 here. Okay, this question is open-ended question. You have many options here, many solutions here. That's why depending on your choice, you have to write your answers here. Now the third one here, student, trinomial with degree 8. Trinomial with degree 8. We have to write three terms, but okay, one degree should be here 8. Suppose I write here 8 raised x raised to 8 plus 2x plus 3. This is a trinomial with degree 8 here. Okay, student, look here now. Our next question, question number 4 here. Question number 4 here. Write the degree of given polynomials. Here is under root of 5, student. We have to write the degree of this number here. Okay. Here only a number is here, so that's why degree is here, student, 0. Now here this number indicate here, student, x raised to 0 means here degrees here, student, degree is also 0. Here is x raised to 2 means, you know, student, degree of polynomial means, student, maximum index of the variable. Here the maximum index is 2, so I am writing here 2 now. 2 m raised to 10 minus 7, so here is maximum index 10. So I have, okay, I am writing here. Wait a minute. Here. Okay, degree here 10 now. Here 2p minus under root of 7. If you look here, here is nothing means always index 1. So write here 1, student. Here we have to write only maximum index, student. Here is y raised to 5, here is y raised to 3. So this one is bigger here. So right now degree is here 5. Now for this one, the next question here, xyz, xy, look here, and minus z. We have to count the index here. If you look, here is nothing means here 1, here also 1, here also 1. So here is 1 plus 1 plus 1, in the sense here 3. If you look, student, here is 1, here is 1, 1 plus 1, 2, and here is only 1. So this 3, okay. After adding the index, we get here 3. So this 3 is bigger here. So right now here is 3. Same thing here in the last question we have to do here. We have to add these two index here, 3 plus 7, normally here 10. 5 plus here is nothing means 1, 5 plus 1, 6, and here is 1, here is 1. 1 plus 1, 2 here. So this 10 is bigger here. So finally here degree of polynomial 10 here. This is the answer of this question here. Okay, student, now look the next question. Question number 5 here. Classify the following polynomials as linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomial. You know, these are the types based on the number of terms including in the, these are the types, okay, number of index in the given polynomial. Look, student, here is second index. All of you know, if maximum index is 2, that time that polynomial is called as a quadratic polynomial. So 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is quadratic polynomial. Write your answer, student, here. This is quadratic polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial. Now see the second one, student, here. Here is nothing means index is always 1. If index is 1, student, look here. If index is 1 is called as linear. If index is 2 is called as quadratic. And if index is 3 is called as cubic. But okay, here is 1. So that's why we have to write here linear polynomial. This is linear polynomial. You know the definitions of this. Okay, this is linear polynomial. Now here, student, here is y. Nothing here means 1 here. So this is also linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Next one student here, m cube. Check, okay, the bigger index here. Here is m cube. So this is cubic polynomial student. Which one is this? This is cubic polynomial. Because of why? The maximum index is 3 here in the given polynomial. Here is a square. A square means quadratic polynomial student. This is quadratic polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial. And the last one student here is cube. Obviously this is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Okay, these are the types related with the index of the given polynomial here students. Look student, our next question here, question number 6 here. Write the polynomial in standard form. All of you know student, in standard form means we have to write that polynomial, okay, according to the ascending as well as descending order of the index here. So we are writing here in the descending order of their indexes, okay, indices here. Look here, now here student, look, here is third index, here is first index, here is nothing, so we have to write this one is first. We have to write first bigger index here, m raised to 3. After that here we have to write now phi m, because of here is index 1. Second index term is missing here, right, here is phi m, and then here plus 3 as it is. This is standard form, means we have to write the polynomial in descending order of their indices here. Now second one question here, student, here is fifth index, here is third, here is fourth, here is second, here is first. So first of all we have to write the fifth index term here, so write here y raised to phi. Now look here, fourth index term is here, yes, here, plus 2y raised to 4. Now write third index term here, plus 3y cube. Then write now second index term, here is minus y square. Then write first index term student, here is minus 7y, and write zero index term means minus 1 upon 2 here. Look carefully, fifth index, fourth index, third, second, first, and zero index here. This is the standard form of the polynomial. Okay student, now see next question here, question number 7. Write the polynomial in coefficient form. First one here, x cube minus 2 here. We have to write only in coefficient form student. So first we have to write here, write inside a bracket. Look here, here is nothing means one coefficient, right here is 1. After that, be carefully, we have to write the missing terms coefficients also. This is third index. Second index is not given student, so that's why take 0 coefficient here. First index is also not here, so right now here is once again 0. And then this is 0 index term. Right here, be carefully minus 2. This is a coefficient form of this polynomial. Now phi y student. Phi y means they having only one index here. So that's why we have to write here in our answer. Here is phi. 0 index term is not given, so write finally here 0. Same way we have to write for this one. Look student, here is 4 index, third index is not given. This is second, first index is not given. This is 0 index term. Okay, but no problem. Right now 4 index term coefficient student, here is 2. So write 2 here. Third index term is not here, so that's why take 0. Second index term is here, coefficient minus 3. Be carefully, take minus 3. After this first index term is not given, so take 0. And last 0 index term is given, here is 7. So write 7. This is coefficient form of this polynomial. Last one, you know, this term is minus 2 upon 3 means 0 index term. So directly we have to write here student inside a bracket here. Okay student, this is how much we have to write now as it is here, minus 2 upon 3 here. Okay, because of this term having index 0 here. Okay student, look here, our next question. Write the polynomial in index form. Here is 1, 2, 3 means these are the index for us. So at the time of writing answer in our solution, you know student that last number indicates the 0 index, this one indicate the first index, and this one indicate the second index. Begins from that side, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to like that. So right now here we have to write here now x1. So take any one variable means suppose x square here student. Now here is nothing, so means plus 2 x, okay, index become 1, we never write that 1, and here is finally 3. This is index form of the polynomial. See now for the second one here, student, pi 0, 0, 0 minus 1. I already told you have to write here 0, then 1, 2, 3 and 4 here. So right now take this pi here, pi x raised to 4 now. Here plus 0 x cube, then plus 0 x square, then plus 0 x and finally minus 1 here. Now finally, okay, 0 index number of terms, okay, we are skipping here. So we are writing here now directly pi x raised to 4. Skip this and this. So here minus 1. This is the polynomial here. Now the third one, student, here. Write down the third one now. Inside a bracket minus 2, 2, minus 2 and here 2. Look carefully how to write this in index form. Here is 0 index, 1, 2 and 3. So write in your answer minus 2x cube, then plus 2x square, then minus 2x and here plus 2 as it is. This is index form of the polynomials here. Okay, student, now see the last question here, question number 9. Write the appropriate polynomials in the boxes. You know, there are 6 types: quadratic, cubic, linear, binomial, trinomial, and monomial. Depending on the terms, these 3 are there, and depending on the index, these 3 are here. Here is x plus 7, here is x square, x cube plus x square plus x plus 5, 2x square plus 5x plus 10, x cube plus 9 and 3x square plus 5x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 polynomials are there. We have to write now first this side, you know, quadratic means those they having index 2. So here is x square. So I write here, student, here x square. This is quadratic polynomial. Now look here, suppose here is index. Okay, here is cube. So I write here in cubic polynomial. Here x cube, then plus x square plus x plus 5 here. Now linear means they having only one index here, x plus 7 here. This is okay. This is linear polynomial here. You can write this 2x square plus 5x plus 10 here also above. That two are also here. Means 2x square. I'm writing here, student. Look carefully. 2x square plus 5x plus 10 here. These two are quadratic polynomials here. And here in binomials, you know, binomials means they having two terms. So I am writing here x plus 7. Trinomial means they having three terms. Check whether three terms. This is also binomial, student. 3x square plus 5x. Here 3x square plus 5x. This is also binomial. Trinomial means they having three terms. Where three terms? 1, 2 and 3. So right here, student, 2x square plus 5x plus 10 here. And monomials means they having only one term. Here is x square. Okay. Here is 3x square plus 5x. This is also quadratic. Here you can write that. Then here in cubic, x cube plus 9. You can mention here x cube plus 9 also here. Okay. This is the types of polynomials here.